Now, to be able to do this, you have to go to Canva and then type channel intro. Choose any one you would like. I'll be choosing, let's see, any of them. I'll be choosing this one. Okay. So you can edit any way you want to. You can edit it. You can change the wordings. You can change anything you want. Okay. By clicking on it and then just adjusting. So I'm writing, welcome to Angela Casheli's marketplace, which has changed now to Angela Casheli's place. Okay, so I want to add my photo and I want to remove the background. I have to go over to uploads. You click on uploads right there, and then you head over to your photos if you have the one that the background has already been removed. But if you don't, you have to type background remover in your Google search and then click on remove background. You select your photo from there and then you upload it. I'm getting my photo, my favorite photo, and I'm uploading it in the background remover online, and you see how lovely it looks. Okay, so I have removed the background, and then what do you do next? You actually download the picture. You click on download and it will download it. Once you do that, you upload the file in your Canva. Select the file we just uploaded and voila, it's there. You add it to the intro video. Okay, adjust it the way you'd like it to be. I like my own hair. I want it to be a little bit larger so you see my lovely face. I believe my face is lovely. Ha ha ha. If you don't like the font, you can change it up. You can choose, okay, from any of the ones below. You can add effects. You can choose this one or this one, to change the way it looks. You can choose from any of these styles, okay, under effects, okay, to change the way it looks. The next thing we're going to do is to animate this, my picture. I want it to, zoom in. Okay, so you can click on animate and then choose any of the ones you like. So I later went with the pan animation, and this is what it looks like. And I like it. Do you like it? Please let me know in the comment section. Okay, so now to add the subscribe button. Okay, so I just type subscribe in elements and then it's brought out all of this. So I can choose this one. I like this one. I like childish ones. So all you have to do is to press the plus sign to be able to continue the next page, right? So you click on plus and then I inserted the subscribe icon and then added my picture. I copied and pasted my picture, okay, on the next page. Since the previous page was pink, I just clicked on it and changed the color to pink, and so that you look the same. Next, I want to add the click finger. So the same place elements, you type click finger and then choose from the ones that are free if you have just the free version. And I chose this one, the clicking, you see, so it will be clicking, subscribe. And that reminds me, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, I'll post more videos like this. So I also decided to add the bell. So type bell in the elements and then choose any of the bells you prefer for notification. So I'm adjusting it to where I would like it to be. Voila. So now I would like to add audio to the stuff. You can get it from your collection. You just click on audio and then you choose the song. I'll be choosing my own personal song. I'm uploading the file. Okay, click on device and then you go over to files and then choose the file you want, the audio file. Okay, I'll be choosing my own song and then it's loading. You can also choose from the lists of audio free files in the Canva app. So I've chosen the song. It's Angela Victorious. You can Google Angela Victorious online to download my song. It's my awesome song, Reggae Dancehall. All right, so it's uploading and then we're almost done. So now I've added the sound, so I want to adjust it to the beginning of the video. So that's it. Then you click on the arrow facing up and then you click on download facing down and then you choose the format that's already there. You download it and that is it. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. For now, it's peace out. God bless. Love you. Bye.
Angel Golden is cool.